Hey, digital sculptors! Welcome back to our tutorial series. Today, we're diving into how to transfer hard surface models from Blender to CAD using the Export IGES add-on. This is perfect for taking your Blender models into CAD for further operations. Let's get started. The Export IGES add-on lets you save quad-dominant meshes as limit surfaces for CAD. Our goal: transfer hard surface models while keeping their sharp, precise shapes. We'll cover two simple methods using a default cube, then tackle a more complex shape. Follow along. First, let's use Blender's default cube. To make this work, add a subdivision surface modifier to the cube. Without tweaks, this smooths the cube into a sphere-like shape, not what we want for CAD. Go to Edit mode, switch to Edge mode, and select all edges with Ctrl+E. Set the crease value to 1. This sharpens the edges, keeping the cube's shape even with the subdivision modifier. Now, export as an IGES file. Open it in your CAD software, and you'll see a crisp cube. Another way is to add a split edge modifier first in the modifier stack. This splits all faces into individual ones. Next, add the subdivision modifier and enable Keep Corners. Notice the cube stays sharp. No rounding. Export as IGES, and it'll look perfect in CAD. Now, let's try a trickier model. A cube with a beveled edge and a hole cut by a Boolean cylinder. Add a subdivision modifier, and the result is not what we expect. It's distorted Deutengons. Let's fix this. Let us start by applying an edge spilt modifier to the default cube. Add a subdivision modifier with Keep Corners option. Select an edge and bevel it. Everything looks good so far. Now let's add a cylinder and subtract it from the cube using a Boolean modifier. The Boolean modifier should be above the subdivision modifier. Suddenly everything looks bad. Add additional edges using knife cut. Crease the edges around the cylinder to 1. Boom! The model now looks like a proper hard surface model, even with subdivision modifier. Export this as an IGES file, setting the refinement level to 1. Open it in CAD. Hey, I'm using Rhino. The shape holds up perfectly. To polish it, join the surfaces to form a closed volume. Then use the Merge All Coplanar Faces command. Now, your model's ready for fillets or further edits. And that's it. You've learned how to transfer hard surface models from Blender to CAD using the Export IGES add-on. Try these methods on your own projects, and let me know how it goes in the comments. If you liked this, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.